Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. You say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this very, very crucial, very, very important closure civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself. And it is a multitasking. And as my dear fellow mankind, if we are in the same page, you are all aware of how the by now aware of how the programmed logic operates, right? So initially I was working on robocall signing off civil justice for myself as a multitasking. Then it went and hit into the sub layer of the logic called as the COVID-19. So you all got it. Everything is interrelated, right? And then I signed the whatever damage is done to me, so I signed whatever I wanted for the civil justice, right? So you all got it in that part A, part B of victims of abuse billing. So that for that also we can be in the same page, right? And then this, so from this session onwards, you will see how what are the other deadliest criminal layers of how the root cause the robocall has been created. And that is why I'm assigning the civil justice for myself, so that when we are accumulating all the crime display, all the USA errors, it all traces back to absolute monarchs and St. Peter's Basilica, right? So that way I will get the rightful job offer signed off, I will get the rightful salary signed off, I will get the rightful benefits, right? All in front of the nations. And United States of America with fatal negligence only created the robocall poverty mandate. So that is a deadliest crime for a nation, isn't it? A nation do not have any birthright to create poverty for a civilian. The nation do not have any birthright to create and enforce finance disability to I, right? And as my dear fellow mankind, I have the debt As of today, it is 10,000 plus. I want to put it 10,000 plus because whenever that civil justice is not signed off, that 10,000 and that those many dollars will be changing, right? So it's not big change, but it keep changing. So I just want to, from moving on, I will say just 10,000 plus, right? But then the moment I said last time, it was like $10,210.38. That was for last month. But this month, when I'm going to pay the new debt, it reduces a little bit. But that is itself is a wrong, right? So I just want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt in full and also must sign off $5,000. Okay, and regarding that $5,000 part, I have all the proof, right? In November 18th of 2020, I asked Judge of State of Wisconsin, please provide all these, and no response, isn't it? So now I will get all the civil justice right in front of entire human kingdom, because when United States of America don't know what is justice, that is itself is a proof that USA is in a very pathetic and broken nation, right? So I have to step in, start leading the USA my way, okay? And USA belongs to me. USA is Tamil Nadu. Okay, so I will quickly read through this civil justice sign off so that I do not want to waste time on the overview part of it, because I want to quickly run through this or read through this civil justice so that we all can be in the same page, and you all will be aware, right? It's because it's a multitasking. And you all will know, just because I file a lawsuit or just because the civil justice is signed off, you all will know that we all will get the civil justice in the rightful way. USA cannot, government cannot fool population anymore. Okay, so what is the civil justice is all about? I will read it and you all will get it. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. The scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica prostitution, student loans nation, never educated USA Republica government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor and a true civil supreme judge, and it is a fatal negligence of Republica prostitution student loans nations to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica prostitution student loans nation, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica prostitute students loans nations. So can you get it? The hidden puzzle is what? I'm taking cane in my hand and disciplining the broken USA, isn't it? Can all get it? When student loan processing is a healthy one, there should never be any robocall in USA at the first place, isn't it? So that it's a proof in a proof. I'm proving crime one side, I'm proving how the crime is created. Everything is live proof. So the Pope Francis cannot escape the death penalty. Republic of Prostitution student loan nations created robocall poverty mandate, and it is the deadliest crime as of February 2021. As of February 2021, civil justice sign-off is to be served to I Vedapriya Prose is I Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. USA prostitution students loans nations with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of to $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021. I want to keep that amount. Even though there's a little bit of change, it's today I checked it out, it is like 10,100 something. So I will, I'll just keep it this way so that, anyways, we all know that it's 10,000 plus dollars, right? The Citibank CEO must pay that amount because it's not my fault. It is USA's fault that created that debt to me, right? So Citibank should pay the debt. That's a civil justice served. Then finance disabled to Vedapriya Pro say abruptly it is a crime. Abruptly. So it is a crime for Republica Prostitution Students Loans Nation when ruling USA. Never educated USA should never provide to enforce poverty to I. Vedapriya Pro se. So civil justice is I. Vedapriya Pro se want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt 10,000 plus and dollars and sign off tax free 4,500, and Republica Prostitution Student Loans Nations must sign off tax free $500,000 billion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species, and hell creators, and at fault found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republica Government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And for I. Vedapriya Pro se displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs. I. Vedapriya Pro se for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I. Vedapriya Pro se want USA, United States of America, to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name. Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Pro se to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Pro se to become the supreme civil judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Pro se become supreme chief family law and the children judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Pro se to become global poverty relief medical director chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Pro se to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India and must get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, I'm just repeating that last part of that justice. From next session onwards, I already provided the very starting of that session, this same thing, right? So I will work on now how not to repeat it one more time. But this session, let it be like that. Okay, and yes, my dear fellow mankind, I should get the rightful civil justice, and you tell me how many educated populations are there, how many doctors are there, how many female educated lawyers and female women doctors are there, right, or theologians are there, and female scientists are there, or what not, right? And that too, total population of the society are filled with only humans only. But then why they never knew that whatever the student loan processing provided by the USA's deadliest tax scandal crap. I mean, it is an absolute crap after all. It's a garbage created by Pope Francis. Why nobody knew? So can you all see how it is a God sent me to be born in earth to come and reform the student loan after 500 years? And worldwide, the entire younger children population going to get helped, and that is why I must be the supreme civil children judge for all nations, my dear fellow mankind. Got it? Can you see when there is no supreme civil children judge? That is why Pope Francis is allowed to live free. Got it? That's why he wanted to escape, but he cannot. Right? He never fooled me, my dear fellow mankind. I will just throw him on the volcano. Right? Is he a human? You tell me. You all keep your God-given hands on your hearts and tell me, is he a human? Why nobody knew education must be a national, education services must be free? Why nobody knew that? Why? What went wrong in humanity? Right? Oh my gosh, I do not want to waste time on educating or overviewing anymore because there's a lot of crimes you all need to know, right? So you all got it now. So for proof, if at all USA wants to ask for proof, I will say, please USA, go refer my earlier sessions. Got it? Because I'm just only addressing what the crime upfront direct Pretty straightforward. Student loan nations is a garbage. It's a criminal. It's a wild endangered species. Fix it. They cannot fix it. I only can fix it, but I'm just displaying the error, and I have to get the rightful salary for that. Right? All the education, whatever type it must be, it can be, it must be only free to be given to civilians. It is one of the basic essential that needs to be provided free. So can you all see how I nailed on the forehead of Pope Francis? Either Pope Francis being educated, master, he has do the master's degrees, right? Masters of theology, master of chemistry. So he should either say, whether Pope Francis knows what is education, or Pope Francis should say, he don't know what is education. Can you see how the adults and the two retired age population are creating the hell and the havoc for entire nation operations to be destroyed in pieces? What is President Joe Biden going to say about this? He is just going to get out of the earth. I mean, not earth. I want him to still live and watch and see my leaders and my governors. I want him to just enjoy his retirement life. Right? So I do not want to keep on telling President Trump blah 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 like that. You all know, everybody who is innocent, who is not innocent, who is at fault, right? And I also provided sub-layers also on the innocence level, right? Can you all see why President Trump is innocent? Yes, my dear filament, you all have to know why President Trump is innocent and why President Joe Biden is not. How long of years he had for him to ban the student loan. The last attempt he had was when he was a vice president, right? He missed that bus. He not even missed it. He just was his fatal negligence, right? Just because his children, his grandchildren can get free education or affordable education just because they are wealthiest, he never bothered how the population will be tortured. So what if for a tit for tat, I can coolly say, hey USA, provide the highest student loan with highest interest rate for all the children, grandchildren of absolute monarchs, for the Queen Elizabeth, for extended relatives of Pope Francis, extended relatives of President Joe Biden, the Senate, Bernie Sanders, Nancy Pelosi. Then they are, they will be in the hot oil, right? They will run here and there, panic mode. They do not want to get into that kind of a mode. They would die if they are put into the loan and stress mode, right? So what went wrong? Do you all think that I have to provide always tit for tat? That's not my job, my dear fellow mankind, no. Vices will never waste in any type of foolishness, right? What went wrong? What went wrong? These people are called themselves as the lawmakers. They are the garbage, they are the prostitutes, right? Can you all see why a nation ruled by a prostitute will be provided only prostituted way of, illusion way of hell only for the mankind? You all got it, right? Why government of USA is destroyed is because why? USA is a one hell of a prostitute nation. So don't you all think that prostitution and the USA being in the chains of slavery of prostitution must be freed? Don't you all think so? Right? Only vices can understand my civil justice, my dear fellow mankind. I am that I am. I am the true owner of USA. I have to step in. I have to slap. I have to provide the reform. I have to design. I have to guide. I have to teach. I have to, right? So many talks are there. Nobody knows their job. I have to lead the DCF, Department of Children and Families. I have to lead. I have to lead the banking sectors. I have to lead the health insurance sectors. I have to guide. I have to provide software design solutions. Now tell me, yes, I have all the talent. People know it. But then when USA provides me the job with the authority, then that's a difference, right? People will also be happy that I got the rightful job at the right time. Even if I have the talent, why people want my talent to be gone wasted? You all tell me. That is wrong. That is injustice, isn't it? Just because I should have been the Supreme Judge in October 2018 alone. If at all I would have been that judge, I would have solved all this task in the past 3 years itself. And I would have lifted all the nations ahead. Ahead of the robo means, as of today, the robo is ahead of humans, right? I would have even made the humans to be above robots. That is how fast as I could provide the solutions. And why on the earth these foolish people cannot understand it? So yes, I will handcuff USA and make USA to be, kneel down in front of all nations, and then I will get the rightful justice my way accordingly. Okay, so thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.